Classes. I'm your Satya Mishra with new next level, extreme level announcement and good news. I'm here with you all one. Today I'm here to share with you the most advanced level, extreme level, unbelievable, unexpected announcement which is came from CGL SSC. Clear have. So before this I have making announcement on SSC MTS. Now in this series I'm going to tell you about SSC CGL 2024. Now you have the to get your dream, get your desire, get your aims comes true, makes true. The finally we are ready, finally we are excited to share each and everything in the detailed view through our best opinion to you all one. So let's make sure here in this video I'm going to tell you about that SSC CGL application form and the best series. So let's start now. I'm going to talking about that SSC CGL of 2024. SSC CGL of 2024. Clear have? SSC CGL of 2024. Before starting this, I want to give you one very unexpected things. Total post. How much have? 17,727 on the various field. 17,727 posts are on the various sector, various field in SSC CGL. Clear have? Now we are going to be talk about that. We are going to best approach here. This is for only one more thing. CGL means combined graduation level. That means this is for the graduate candidate. Okay, this is for the graduate students who have done their graduation. For those candidates this form have those can try best in SSC CGL. Okay, next announced on 24th of June beta. 24th of June. Clear have? Of 2024 beta. Day was beta very good day, Monday. Clear have beta? And next saying beta, last date on 27th July 2024. Okay, last date until beta till 11 p.m. beta. This important, remember, 11 p.m. on 27th July. Next correction date will be beta, correction on 10th or 11th 10th and 11th of August of 2024. Clear have? 10th and 11th August of 2024. Clear have? Next tier first will be held on September or October beta. September and October or September or October can say of 2024. Clear have? And tier second will be held on okay, when in December of 2024. Clear have? December of 2024. Clear have? Application fee beta. Application fee will be beta rupees 100 for journal. Okay, for journal and OBC beta. For journal and OBC rupees 100 have, and other all religions have rupees 0. Okay, rupees 0 for others except journal on OBC candidates rupees 0 for application fee have. Clear? मिनिमम एज बेटा, मिनिमम एज 18 years, maximum age will be बेटा 27 to 32 पोस्ट वाइज क्लियर है बेटा, पोस्ट वाइज 27 to 32 years have, clear है. And one more thing बेटा, पे लेवल 7 have here, पे लेवल बेटा सैलरी, ओके, पे level 7 where you will get salary approximately 4,900 to, this in rupees है बेटा, Indian rupees 1,42,400 in बेटा, क्लियर है बेटा, rupees 44,900 to rupees 1,42,400 level 7 पे है. One more time I am going to repeat. SSC CGL announced their 2024 various post on various field for the graduate candidate. So total post have 17,727, clear, announced on 4th June 2024 on Monday. This application begin on and application announced on 27th June 2024 on Monday. Application last date on 27th July 2024 till 11 PM night time, 11 PM of 27th July will be last for this application. Correction date will be 10th and 11th August for 2024. Candidates who did mistake in their form, those candidates can do correction on 10th and 11th of August 2024. Clear hai? Tier first will be held on September or October of 2024. This both month, any month can will be held, or in both month, last month of September and beginning month of October can be. And tier second will be held on beta December of 2024. Clear half. Tier second will be held on in the mains, that can say, prelims and mains, that can say. And salary, talk about pay level 7 have here salary 44,900 is starting to 1,42,400 salary have. Application fee for the journal and OBC candidate rupees 100 have, and other all the candidates rupees 0 have application fee. Minimum age for this post 18 years and maximum age 27 to 32 for post according to post have. On the various sector, on the various post according to post wise have here total age is calculation. So hope you understood very good. And one more very good news, this is one good news, have total 17,727 posts have on the various posts of SSC CGL. One more good news for you every, now you have one question from where we do our practice in English language. So your best kind information for free, okay beta, for free practice, join MAB classes on YouTube. MAB classes on YouTube is special for SSC have, only special for SSC have, special for SSC have MAB classes in English language, free practice, free classes, free lecture, free practice, free PDF, everything in free hour. Okay, you can visit on MAB classes official platform of YouTube. You can get your every thing in English language, proper English language. I will offer each and everything, the detailed review every. You show your performance, you show your practice, everything. We will make you the best level approach reachment. Clear? So hope you understand very good. Any kind of doubt related these any headings, any points, so make me comment. I will make you sure. Thank you so much to becoming the best creator, to joining the best seat, and on MAB classes. I'm your Satyam Mishra. Thank you so much. Best of luck. Jai Hind.